Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, finally, I am unboxing the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I said finally earlier, and I mean finally, I finally get to unbox and use the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I actually been having this on order for about 3 weeks now, and for whatever reason it got delayed. I don't know why, but here it is. This is the 46mm. I didn't get the little one. I have a big wrist. I have to get the bigger one. This should pair nicely with my Galaxy Z Fold 3. But in this video, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing, see what you get in the box, and just try to use it a little bit. But let's see what we get. Nice little presentation from Samsung. So you get a little box on the top. See what you get in this box. A box within the box. So you get some books. That's about it on that side. Some books. Do we really read that? No. On this side, you get your charging cradle. Now it does wireless charge, but if you don't want a wireless charge, you do have the little cradle. It's magnetic. It should just stick to the phone the watch pretty good. And there's nothing else in the box. I mean, y'all really don't come for the box anyway. Ooh, look how, man. I like that little, that bezel. Look at it. Now I had the Watch Active, but I never had like this big one before with this. That bezel feels so nice. It's not thick. Look, I have the TicWatch Pro 3. Look at it. It's actually smaller. This is a nice looking watch. Let's see if it has any power. I don't even know what the power button is. All right, it's starting up. So that watch, like I said, it's 46mm. It has that rotating bezel. It actually comes with 1.5 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage on there, so you can store some music. The battery is 361 milliamp hours, so should give you about 40 hours of runtime. At least that's what they say here. It is wireless charging. You can actually wireless charge with it, which is great. It's actually running Android Wear OS plus, Samsung. They got rid of Tizen, so I'm kind of excited to see what this does and how you can use it. Hopefully it has some app support. Now it says get started in the Galaxy Wearable App on your phone. So what I'm gonna do is pause the video and actually download the app. Give me one moment. Okay everyone, so the setup was pretty easy. And look at this, this watch is nice. Can't wait to use it more. But if you turn it, it has all these different tiles. You can measure your sleep, weather. So I'm gonna finish setting it up, heart rate. Probably come back with like a week later video or maybe 2 weeks later. And they have many different watch faces. It was easy to set up. I mean, it pairs nicely with the Z Fold 3. But what y'all think? Y'all let me know what other videos you wanna see from me on this watch. Look at that. I will definitely try to post them and do different type of videos. But so far, it looks nice. I like that you can get different bands for it. And it should be pretty easy to take on and off too. But stay tuned to the channel. I will come back with different types of videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Z Fold 3 and also the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. But until next time, peace. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And this time, I'm really out. Later, y'all. Peace.